Hello everyone, I'm Elda with Foundation and Drainage Repair. I wanted to show you one of the projects that we just got done here in Eaglework. So this ADU unit was experiencing major water intrusion due to the last rain. They're in the bottom of the hill, so they had some water getting pushed with hydrostatic pressure right against the footings and straight into the unit. The unit is basically destroyed. What we had to do, we excavated 2-3 feet below this whole area. We waterproofed two types, the footing, the foundations. After we were done, we installed some gravel and underground drainage system, and that will basically collect all the hydrostatic pressure rain that's getting pushed to the area. It will collect it and divert it away. What we also did, we installed a concrete walkway with a cleanup all the way over there. You can see the cleanup, so in case it gets clogged with debris, we can always snake it. And then we installed two drainage grate. One is over there, one is over here. Those will collect the surface rainwater and also divert it away. This is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I hope you guys can see it.